Most people sign up for a software free trial and waste the first few days just clicking around without understanding what they actually have access to. And with JobTread, that mistake can cost you a real chance to see if it fits your business. In this video, you'll learn exactly what the JobTread free trial includes in 2026, what you can realistically test during the trial period, and how to use it properly so you can decide if it's worth paying for. Let's get straight into it. JobTread's free trial is designed to give contractors a full hands-on experience of the platform. That means you are not just seeing a demo or watching videos. You are actually working inside the system. So imagine someone like Alex, a small contractor trying to organize his remodeling jobs. During the trial, he can set up real projects, create estimates, and track job progress as if he's already running his business through the platform. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most users don't realize that the trial is not just about testing features. It's about testing workflow. You are supposed to see how your day-to-day job management would feel inside JobTread. You can typically explore core areas like estimating, budgeting, project tracking, and client communication. You also get access to dashboards that show how your jobs are performing in real time. This helps you understand whether the software actually reduces chaos in your workflow or adds more steps. But here's the problem. A lot of people rush through the setup. They click around without entering real data. Then they say the software didn't feel useful. But that is not how you evaluate a tool like this. Now let's talk about what you should actually do during the trial. Think of it like a real test run. Enter one real project. Build an estimate for it. Try updating job progress as if you're in the field. If you have a team, even better, let one or two members interact with it. That's how you see if it truly works for your business. Now here's what most contractors miss. The real value of JobTread is not in one feature. It's in how everything connects. Estimates flow into projects. Projects connect to budgets. Budgets connect to reporting. During the trial, you should pay attention to how smooth that connection feels. If it feels natural, you're looking at a system that can save you hours every week. If it feels confusing or too rigid, it may not be the right fit for your workflow. So here's the simple breakdown. The JobTread free trial in 2026 gives you full access to core construction management tools, so you can test real workflows, not just features. The key is using it like a real job system, not a demo. If you approach it correctly, you'll know within a few days whether it can actually improve how you run your business. If this helped, like the video, drop a comment with what kind of contractor you are, and subscribe for more clear, practical software breakdowns that help you choose with confidence.